Greetings. My name is Patrick Jones, Senior Director for Global Stakeholder Engagement at ICANN. I wish I could be there with you in person at the Central Asia IGF. 2 weeks ago, I attended the Asia Pacific Regional Internet Governance Forum in Singapore, and it was wonderful to see so many people online and in person for that event. Perhaps some of you were there. My remarks today will touch on basic challenges for internet stakeholders like yourselves and opportunities as seen by ICANN. ICANN is a strong supporter of the Global Internet Governance Forum, as well as national and regional IGFs, such as this one. The COVID-19 pandemic has emphasized the importance of the global internet, providing the ability for commerce, education, employment, and critical services to continue while many around the world dealt with lockdowns and disruptions. The internet never stopped, and that is a tribute to the work of many who maintain network services, operate internet and connectivity providers, and deliver domain name and web services to enable this global resource to be stable and resilient. As a technical organization, our mission is to ensure the secure and stable operation of the internet's unique identifiers. The name and numbering system that supports the global internet is a regular target for attacks. ICANN strives to be a factual and trusted source of data about DNS security threats and to provide tools for the community to better understand and support mitigation of these threats. We also support capacity development and training, both hybrid and in-person, to support knowledge and skills for maintaining internet resources, national computer emergency response teams, and to build awareness among decision makers about the impacts from legislation and regulation on the global internet. ICANN is a member of the Forum for Incident Response and Security Teams and seeks to be a trusted partner for mitigating DNS abuse. We recently launched a new initiative called Knowledge Sharing and Instantiation of Norms for Domain Name Security, also known as Kindness. This is similar to the Internet Society's Manners project for routing security. Kindness is aimed at promoting best practices for DNS operations. We've worked with our community to develop a framework for the most critical security norms that DNS operations can voluntarily adopt. We think this effort can help improve global DNS security, but it needs participation and adoption to have an impact. You can learn more about this initiative on our website at kindns.org. Of interest in this region should be ICANN's work to enable universal acceptance and encourage wider recognition of internationalized domain names. The next billions of internet users have languages and scripts that are not based on Latin characters, and ICANN's work supports the use of Arabic, Cyrillic, Chinese, and many other scripts in the DNS. Now, this region has been an early adopter of internationalized domain names and operate internationalized country codes, including Armenia, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and the Russian Federation. Access to the internet in a user's chosen language allows for online identities and a more inclusive experience that reflects a broader set of cultures and communities, and this brings the wonders of the internet to a larger audience. An emphasis for ICANN is delivering world-class hybrid meetings so that stakeholders from around the world can participate in our technical and policy work and have a meaningful contribution regardless of whether they're in person or virtual. And there are many opportunities to have a say in the development of policy impacting the internet's unique identifiers at ICANN. Our work cannot function without diverse voices from all sectors, including civil society, business, governments, and the technical community. It is critical that we have participation, representation, and engagement from people around the world. Now, since 2007, ICANN has offered a fellowship program, and we're currently celebrating the 15th anniversary of that program this year. The fellowship and next gen programs strengthen the diversity of the multi-stakeholder model by fostering opportunities for individuals from underserved and underrepresented communities to become active participants in the ICANN community. This includes access to our online learning platform called ICANN Learn, as well as participation at ICANN meetings. Fellows are exposed to the workings of the ICANN community, assigned a mentor, and receive training across different areas of knowledge and skill building before, during, and after an ICANN meeting. Travel assistance to attend the meeting is also provided. Now, since 2007, 813 individuals have been awarded an ICANN fellowship, representing a wide diversity of gender, background, region, experience, and expertise. Many fellows have moved on to senior roles on the ICANN board